Victor Adetiba with ScrumLife.com, back with another episode of our book club. This episode is sponsored by Manta Tech Training Academy, link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're reading another excerpt from the book, 97 Things Every Scrum Practitioner Should Know, Collective Wisdom from the Experts, edited by Gunther Verheyen. Page 28. Answer this question. What is your product? Ellen Gottesdiener. Alice Wandering in Wonderland said it best. If you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there. This certainly applies to software development teams. Even some of the best Scrum teams can't answer the simple question, what is your product? Scrum is about continual discovery and delivery of products. For a product to be successful, it must be desirable to customers, viable for the business, and feasible for technologists to build and support. Notice the subject of that sentence, product. Not knowing what your product is manifests itself in numerous ways. As intuitive as Scrum might be, the product owner needs to provide guidance and product oversight. The role of a product owner isn't easy. Failing to define the product leads to all sorts of issues, ultimately impacting team satisfaction and product outcomes. A plethora of product backlogs exist, often with the same customers and the same domain. They overlap and have items that conflict with one another. Moreover, functionality can be duplicated among multiple products. Coordinator roles such as release managers and project or program managers are introduced. The customer experience for completing an end-to-end value stream using the product experience is clunky, laborious, and abrasive. Product owners struggle to prioritize and provide focus. Local optimization exists, resulting in decisions, actions, and structures that impede achieving overall organizational goals. These are but a few of the maladies that come from not having product clarity. Scrum Masters can facilitate the important work of helping product owners, the development team, and business stakeholders define their product. Apply these 3 product definition principles. Principle 1, adopt outside-in thinking. Define your product from the perspective of customers, both users and choosers. Users interact directly with the product to obtain some benefit or to solve a problem. Choosers are those who make buying choices. It isn't unusual for development teams to create products based on their product owners' inside-out bias. Outside-in thinking, on the other hand, is both humbling and enlightening. It allows the entire Scrum team to approach product work with empathy and curiosity. Principle 2, take the long view. Projects come and go. Successful products live a long and healthy life. Products evolve and morph through all stages of their life cycle, from introduction to growth, maturing, and then decline. Products benefit from continuous discovery and delivery. New technology adoption and feature development are critical to improving your product's value proposition. This principle reduces the need to create separate products. Innovations improve your product's business viability, customer experience, and product quality. Principle 3, define the product as broadly as possible. A broadly defined product gives a Scrum team more product options, simplifies communication, clarifies roles, and forces prioritization. Refraining from narrowly scoped products enables organizations to optimize people and resources. Broadly defined products have many benefits. Organizational systems optimization ensures that high-level goals are met. Backlog management and prioritization become simpler to manage. Decision-making is streamlined. Strategic planning and road mapping become more straightforward to define. customer and organizational communication become clearer. The product influences your organizational structure. Product development with Scrum requires clear product direction. Establishing a shared, consistent, and coherent answer to the fundamental question, what is your product, offers a huge benefit. Knowing what your product is provides the necessary foundation to deliver successful products with Scrum. I can't tell you how much this section resonates with me and how important I truly believe it is. There are a lot of people that I work with, Scrum Masters and even development team members, that don't have an understanding of what their product is. Often when I first start coaching a team or an organization or a Scrum Master, the first question I ask them is, tell me about your product. What is the product that your team is developing or supporting? And you'd be surprised at how often team members can't answer this. I think it's extremely important for people who are supporting a product to have an in-depth understanding of it, not just from a technical perspective, but more importantly, from just a hands-on user, front-end user perspective. You should be able to explain in layman's terms what it is the product your team is working on does for its customers. What benefit does it provide? You should at least be engaging with your stakeholders and your customers enough to know this. One of the first things I encourage Scrum Masters to do when they join a new team is to request a product demo, is to request access to the product to see if they can actually get into the system and play in it or tinker around to see actually what the product does. Another thing I encourage new team members to do is to request a ride-along. So the users within the organization or external users who are using this product should have essentially a demo session. So they are actually working in the product, completing their job, or utilizing the product as it's intended to be used. And a development team member or Scrum Master or even a product owner rides along with them or sits next to them as they're doing the job so they can actually see their flow in the system or in the product. Doing this will bring about questions that we can ask the end user to gain a better understanding of their experience and why this product is so valuable for them. What works, what doesn't work, what are the pain points? I think the more often we can do similar ride-alongs and place ourselves in the position of the end users of our product, this will help us in the end create a better product experience for our customers, and will also help us focus on what our primary objective should always be, which is delivering value to our customers. Did you enjoy this episode? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave us a comment. Look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thanks.